Hey guys, this is BW. We're back out in the garage. Dan and Danny up at Dee Speed Shop did a really nice thing for us. They put a picture of our car on their channel's homepage and promoted us, invited all you people to come down and join our channel. I couldn't be happier and more grateful than I am. Thank you very much. And I hope all of you guys stay for the long haul and track the build of this 55 Chevy Gasser I like to call sad news. Alright, okay guys, so now I want to talk about the giveaway. It's a 20-inch all-steel toolbox from Craftsman that my wife is hand painting a Mr. Horsepower with pinstriping paint on the lid. It's really cool. Let me bring you down off the camera and show you. We got 4 heaters going out here. We got it just about 70 degrees in the garage so that the paint cures properly. Right now she just worked on the white a little bit. I think she's going to do on the brown cigar next. But believe me, when she does the black outline, that's when it pops. That's when it's going to look cool. She's almost ready, but not quite yet. This is basically what you're going to end up with when she's done. Really cool. All right? Be really cool to put into the trunk of your hot rod or man cave or she shed, whatever you guys want. I think I'll up the ante a little bit. I'm going to throw a couple BW Garage stickers inside, and I think when you lift that tray up, you might even find a BW Garage t-shirt. All right? So that's what we got going on with that. Now it's time to get on to the particulars of the giveaway. I've created a Google document that I'm going to provide a link for down in the description of this video. What I need you to do is go in there, click on that, and go put your information in if you want to be entered into the contest. A lot of subscribers are anonymous, so I can't see everybody, so this is the fairest way to do it. Anybody that wants to be involved in the giveaway can be. I promise that your information will be kept confidential. All right? So as people enter the contest, your name and information will go into a spreadsheet. However many people we get when we get to the cutoff. The cutoff is the 20th of February at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. At that point, wherever we're at, however many people we got, everybody will be assigned a number. And then I'll get a Google random generator, put the numbers in there, and randomly generate the number. And wherever your assigned number is on the spreadsheet, whoever wins, wins. We're trying to keep it in the North American region only. Canada, United States, Mexico, maybe even Hawaii. So anybody in Europe, I'm sorry, but that's just a little too much to try to ship overseas. So this is how we're going to do it. I wish everybody the best of luck. Remember, I'll keep your information confidential. Just get in there and enter the contest, all right? I can't wait to give this thing away. We really enjoy doing this. We enjoy everybody. And I hope you all stick around for the entire build of this 55 Chevy Gasser. Take care, everybody.